Hi, I'm Ajarn Mieder. I'm here with Noina, and today she's going to help me to count from 20 to 99. All right, now it's slightly difficult, so I have to remember two different steps. First is to count from 20, 30 for every 10, and then how to count 20, 21 until 29. So let's first start with 20. So how do I say 20?
20
30,
30
30, 40,
40
50,
50
60,
60
70,
70
80,
80
90.
90
Okay, I think I get it. So all I do is I say the number and I add 10. So if it is 20, 20. All right, 30, that's where it's easy now. So it's the same as 3, 30, 40, 40. Okay, so all I do is the only one is different is 10 and 20. That's the only one that's different. After that, 30 to 90, all I say is the number and I add 10 to it. Okay, so I only have to remember 10, which is 10, 20, which is 20. And then from 30 to 90, I just say the number in Thai and add the 10. So 30 is 30, 40, 40, 50, 50, 60, 60, 70, 70, 80, 80, 90, 90. Is that right?
ถูกต้องค่ะ
Okay, great. Now I know how to say those numbers. But if I want to count from 21 to 30, how will I do that? Okay, so I'm going to say the number and I will let Kun Noina count for me. All right. So 20 we know already is 20. But if it's 21, how do I say 21 in Thai?
21
21. Okay, 22,
22
22, 23,
23
23, 24,
24
24, 25,
25
25, 26,
26
26, 27,
27
27, 28,
28
28, 29,
29
29, and 30.
30
Okay, I think I get it. So what I do is if it's only the one, that's when I say 8. So for example, 11, 18, 21, 28. So 31 คือ 31. Is that right?
ถูกต้อง
41คือ 41. 51, 51. Okay, I get it. And the rest is the same as counting. Is that right?
ถูกต้อง
Okay, so let me see if I can do this. All right, so I'm going to count from 21 to 30. If I'm wrong, please correct me.
โอเค
So 20 is 20, 21, 21, 22, 22, 23, 23, 24, 24, 25, 25, 26, 26, 27, 27, 28, 28, 29, 29, and 30, 30.
ถูกต้องค่ะ
Okay, so and the same. So if I want to count from 31 to 40, it's the same thing all over again. Is that right?
ถูกต้องค่ะ
Okay, so if I count from 31, I will just say 38,
ใช่
32, 32, 33, 33. Okay, that's very easy. All right, so I'm going to let Kun Noina count for us from 21 to 99. ใส่คุณน้อยหน่อยนะ21 ถึง 99. Okay, listen carefully.
21 22 23 24 25 26 27 28 29 30 31 32 33 34 35 36 37 38 39 40 41 42 43 44 45 46 47 48 49 50 51 52 53 54 55 56 57 58 59 60 61 62 63 64 65 66 67 68 69 70 71 72 73 74 75 76 77 78 79 80 81 82 83 84 85 86 87 88 89 90 91 92 93 94 95 96 97 98 99
Wow, I think that's very easy. All right, so I think I'll be able to count until 99 now. All right, thank you very much, Kunoina, for helping us today on how to count from 20 to 99. I hope you've liked this video. If you did, please press the like button and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. Check out these other great videos from Ajarn Mieder and be sure to subscribe and ring the bell to be notified about our latest videos.